Set ablaze, teens in the streets are rich. Friday nights, worships on the brand. Set ablaze, teens in the streets are rich. Friday nights, worships on the brand.
I would say method 1 is better than method 2 because you get a wider perspective. And just so maybe if it was too quick, just so you know what's going on, essentially I've strapped 2 legs on the first method and I've strapped 3 legs on the second method. Although on the second method, what you don't see is that I've got a plate just tucked in on my lower abs, which really helps because the third leg of the tripod really digs into your body. So yeah, I would say if you're going to do this, just like the professional ones you see, with like some sort of metal plate, put a plate for yourself, whether it's, you know, a ceramic plate, whether it's like a plastic plant pot plate, you know, just put a plate there because yeah, it'll help, especially if you're going to try and run with it. Obviously be careful if you're going to run with it because it's not super stable, but I think if you're walking, if you're doing like a slow kind of drunken disorientation thing, which I think the view is great for, I think it'll work. So hopefully it's helped.